Good morning, guys. We are here in front of my apartment complex. We are getting ready to move out. I had to stop filming for a second because I had all this spackling stuff in my hands, and we're gonna spackle ourselves. Not because we know, like, oh, you're supposed to like leave it so they do it, but they literally do the worst job here. The bike rack that they spackled before I moved in, and they did like literally the worst job. I could have done a better job, and I don't even really know how to do it. Doug's gonna do it because he knows what he's doing. These are all the boxes we have packed up. Today, our goal is to move like all of the main furniture to the storage unit that we got yesterday. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like strip my bed because I'm gonna just wash the sheets. Do my final load of laundry here, and then we're gonna start taking loads in. I wanted to take off my shower curtain. I think I'm just gonna wash it, and then I'm just gonna throw out the little inner liner thing. Figure a nice little wash would be good. See, this is why you get the little baby couch, because it's so light and easy to move. Okay, I'll hold it. Out she goes. I took a sticker for the mems. All filled up. We got mattress, couch, 2 dressers. Almost as good as our Eugene one. That one was the ultimate. If you haven't seen that video, go watch the video of us moving into this apartment from Eugene, and that was insane. Dustin desperately needs to clean the floor now. Go, Dustin! We're in the storage unit. The expensive pod. Wait,
a little bigger.
Did you press 3? You gotta press 3.
I pushed 3 already. It lit up.
How come we're not moving?
Lights up and the light goes off.
Do we have to put in a password? Open it. Open the door on the outside. I saw a password spot. I pressed the code.
Light stayed on. Hey, let's spin it around first. It wants to fall that way. So let's go 180 degrees. Lock your in.
The official last meal in the apartment, day 3 of moving. My parents are here to help me clean while I'm doing homework. This is my little seat, the Milwaukee vacuum, and it's dinner time. So we're gonna enjoy this meal and see how much we can get done.
How am I supposed to save the situation? Why the steps getting wasted even though we feel the same? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body?
This is what you do when all your dishes are packed, but the most fragile thing you own. Cheers. We are ending the vlog for tonight. We are swiffering our way out of here. It's 8:48, we're exhausted. We don't have enough space for this table and a plant. We're gonna come back tomorrow, which is honestly good because I'm not quite ready to say goodbye. We'll come back tomorrow, I'll take like my final photos. I'm swiffering my way out, and we're just gonna do the storage unit tomorrow too because we're so tired and I've been up since 6 a.m. I have another school project to do. I'm trying to edit a video for you guys. This is what happens. I feel so bad when I'm a couple days late, but now you guys know what I've been doing. Like literally moving, doing school, there's so much to do. We're making it happen, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
We're gonna go set it in that little slot right there. Just all we're doing, do a slide. Yep, then we're all getting to the very end.
Here is the final tour of the storage unit. We are very glad we got the larger size. We did actually a fairly good job. We got all the bins pretty much on this wall. Tables and chairs up there. We had to chuck all my bedding and pillows. It's fairly organized. This gets a little complicated in this zone, but everything's doing okay. One more thing back at the apartment, we need the table. That's like the marble table. It's very heavy, so that's just probably gonna go smack in the middle. We'll literally be done. Oh, and there's one plant, but that's coming home, obviously. And we are zip tying my bed frame to the wire rack so it does not crush the TV. Oh, I forgot about this. This is like all my dresser stuff. Okay, we did it. All right, here is our pretty much empty apartment tour. Doug's doing the final sanding. Here is my bedroom. It is now officially very echoey. Closet's empty, it's all clean. It's so weird to see it like this. I'm very sad. And the living room, which it does look so much smaller when all the stuff is out of it. It's crazy. But that is the final place. We did not do those patchings. That was there before. Yeah, it looks pretty good. This is the end. The place is empty. I'm gonna end this moving video. I'm not gonna like talk too much about it because I literally will cry. I'm in a fragile state right now. But you can go follow me on Instagram, and I like wrote a little thing, made a little post, so go follow me at Kiara Madisen. Thank you guys so much for all the support in this moving journey and the sweet comments. Today's question of the day is going to be, what has been the hardest apartment to leave? Mine is like a tie between the Eugene apartment and this one, because Eugene was like end of college, but this is like, I just don't know what my life's gonna look like when I will be alone again, and I miss my freedom and my independence. But we're gonna get through it. It's gonna be good. I'm really grateful to have a place to go and such helpful parents. They've been so helpful through this move. Yeah, I might put some like little memories in this apartment right now so you guys can watch. And I love you so much. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you very soon.
When your time is up, it's time to go.
I did find one that I absolutely fell in love with. That's really awesome. But right. Wow, there's a shower light. I know. Wow, this is my room. It's very bright. Okay, this is exciting. I will say.
I know you've got questions.
Welcome to my room. I can't.
Wednesday at 10:55 p.m. Yesterday we evacuated the house, and everything's gonna be okay.
And you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answer, and you'll find what you've got.
All right, let's do this. First day of nursing school.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no life to find. How you been looking hella fine, start with to make it on my mind.